Feeling the vibe? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Learning some addition there will last you forever. We got some numbers and we're gonna
add them together.
Let's count hearts one by one. Adding numbers is so much fun. Here's one heart, then here's two. How many now? What will we do? Let's solve a problem, everyone. Look at the hearts, what do you see? Count them up, answer with me. 2 hearts here, 1 heart more. How many hearts are on the floor? Add them together.
Add them together.
2 plus 1, that makes 3. 3 hearts on the floor, that's what you see. Hey, great job, adding them together. What a great job, adding them together. Now you know some math, you're straight on your path. Now we got another question to better your craft. 3 red hearts, add 2 more. How many hearts are we looking for? Add them together.
Add them together.
3 plus 2 is 5, you so bright. Counting the hearts, what a delight. What a sight, we're gonna do another. Add them up, watch hearts hover. Now 4 hearts, we'll add 3. What's the total? Count with me. Add them together. Add them together. 3 plus 4, that makes 7. The answer is 7. Hey, great job, adding them together. What a great job, adding them together. Now you know some math, you're straight on your path. Now we got another question to better your craft. 7 hearts now, add 2 more. What's the total we're looking for? Add them together. Add them together. 7 plus 2, that makes 9. Hey, guess what? You're doing fine. Here's another question for your mind. 6 hearts there, then 4 appear. What's the total? Hey, let's cheer. Add them together. Add them together. 6 plus 4 is 10. We're on a roll, let the fun begin. Here's another problem for you to solve. You are the best, so let's get involved. Add them together. 3 hearts here, add just 5. Add them together, the answer will arrive. Add them together. The answer is 8. You did great. We're done with adding, let's wrap it up. Counting hearts, it's so much fun. Adding numbers one by one. Thanks for joining, you're so smart. We're done for today, you have done your part.
Great job! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.